Okay, Kayla. Uh-oh. Okay. Stop. Stop. Don't go in the street. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
You gotta get some power behind it. You gotta get that power. Uh-oh. Be careful when you get to the alley. Okay, go. You good? Use them leg muscles. Use those leg muscles. You got it?
They call it a bumblebee.
Kayla, are you in control?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay in control. Don't let the bike control you. Control it. Okay. Come on. Pedal, pedal. Use those leg muscles. Your leg's gonna be nice and tired when you get home. Maybe you'll sit down somewhere for a change, huh? I just want your grandma to know that you can wear this sweater anytime you get ready. Pedal, pedal, man, pedal. Uh-oh. Come on, I'm watching you.
I can see your foot.
I'm watching you. He in Kayla class? Okay.